Hi, I'm Alexander Poisner and welcome to Parabellyx Tech Focus series. Let's talk about incident handling when you come under an indirect attack. But first, a brief lesson in history. Everybody knows about Battle of Marathon during Greek-Persian wars. But not many know the reason behind this or how the Greeks were actually saved by battle. Now, Darius has sailed with his expeditionary force to teach Greeks a lesson. He was upset that they were instigating rebellions of Greek communities in Asia Minor. However, he took an indirect approach to the battle. He didn't land near Athens, he landed at the Marathon plain, about 25 miles south of Athens. The reason why he did it is he wanted to draw the Greek army out of the city while sending a smaller expeditionary force around and trying to capture the city while the majority of Greek troops are battling Persian army at the plain of Marathon. However, due to few miscalculations, Persian plans failed. Persian expeditionary force took more time than it originally planned to get to Athens, and Greek realized in the middle of the battle that they were actually drawn into the open as a part of indirect strategy. So they marched as quick as possible back to Athens, and therefore the conquest of Athens by Persians was averted. Let's talk what it means to you when you come under attack. When you see somebody commencing a direct attack, people think, well, this guy is stupid. I mean, look at everything that's going on. We have our intrusion prevention, we have web application firewall, we are detecting what he's doing, and we're actually preventing him from doing anything. Now, think about it the other way. Let's say you have a publicly exposed asset, and I have a way to get there. However, I am afraid that you will detect me as I'm attacking this asset. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to create a bit of fog of war. I'm going to start an additional attack. It may be a DDoS, it may be an attack about that will be focused on similar assets. This attack does not need to fail. This attack needs simply to generate a lot of events, alerts that you will need to investigate. It may also generate a huge amount of logs where, as a needle in a haystack, I'm going to hide the successful attack that I'm going to execute against just one of those assets. And with everything that's going on, with the amount of alerts that you're going to see, I hope that you will not detect this. This is why, when you see something like this, always think. You may not be the only smart person in the room. The attacker may be doing something to divert your attention. So don't think this is somebody who is unsuccessful, doesn't know what they're doing. Try to look beyond that fog of war that the attacker has created. Try to see whether there is some additional malicious activity. Cut through the noise, filter the noise out using your security analytical tools, and try to detect whether there is something small, a needle, that has penetrated your defenses. Thank you very much. I'm Alexander Poisner, and this has been a Tech Focus presentation from Parabellyx.